Hello everybody. Welcome to Larnaca, the oldest living city in Cyprus. People have been living, eating, and laughing here for thousands of years. Larnaca isn't just the airport stop, it's a Mediterranean gem with 10,000 years of history under your feet. Here, ancient stones whisper to palm trees, and the pace of life lets you truly savor every moment. It's a blend of old-world charm and modern beach vibes. So, forget what you thought you knew. We're not just passing through. Today I'm showing you the 7 things you absolutely cannot miss. Ready? Let's dive in. Our first stop is the Church of St. Lazarus. According to tradition, Lazarus, yes, the one from the Bible, came here after being raised from the dead and became Larnaca's first bishop. This stunning stone church was built over his tomb and is the heart of the city. Step inside, and you're surrounded by centuries of devotion and artistry. The golden iconostasis, covered in intricate carvings and paintings, is breathtaking. Even if you're not religious, the atmosphere is powerful. The real highlight? Descend beneath the altar to the tomb of St. Lazarus himself. Standing there, you feel the weight of 2,000 years of history. It's a must-see for anyone visiting Larnaca. Afterward, step into the sunlit square outside. Grab a frappe, the unofficial national drink of Cyprus, at a local cafe. Sip your coffee, gaze at the 9th century church, and soak in the moment. The square is alive with locals, kids playing, and the hum of daily life. It's not a tourist trap, but a living part of the city. Take your time, absorb the atmosphere, and let the history sink in. St. Lazarus and a frappe, the quintessential Larnaca experience. Here, history isn't behind glass. It's part of daily life. And yes, it's delicious. This is what travel is all about. Connection, culture, and a great cup of coffee. You're not just a tourist, you're part of the scene. The perfect start to our day. Ready for the next spot? Let's go. 1:24. Next, we're heading to the Larnaca Salt Lake, a place of natural beauty and tranquility. In winter and spring, thousands of flamingos turn the lake into a sea of pink. It's a breathtaking sight, and if you visit between November and March, you'll never forget it. Even in summer, when the lake dries to a crust of salt, it feels otherworldly. There's a 4-kilometer walking path around the lake, perfect for a peaceful stroll. The silence here is amazing, broken only by the wind and distant birds. On the lake's edge stands Hala Sultan Tekka Mosque, one of Islam's most important holy sites. Its dome and minaret reflected in the water create a stunning scene. The mosque is believed to be the burial place of Haram, a relative of the Prophet Muhammad. The gardens are serene, and visitors of all faiths are welcome. This spot is a powerful symbol of Cyprus, a crossroads of cultures, history, and nature. Spend an afternoon here. Watch the birds, walk the path, visit the mosque. It's about stillness, beauty, and appreciating the world around you. The Salt Lake reminds you to slow down and just be. Watch flamingos, admire the mosque, and listen to the silence. It's a form of meditation, just minutes from the city. A true gift of Larnaca. Ready for more? Let's keep going. Time for adventure. We're heading to one of the world's top wreck diving sites, the Zenobia. This massive Swedish ferry sank in 1980, taking over 100 trucks with it. Now it's an underwater time capsule and artificial reef. Certified divers can explore cargo decks, the bridge, and see marine life thriving among the wreck. Not a diver? No problem. Glass-bottom boat tours let you see the Zenobia from above. The water is so clear you can spot the ship's outline and the trucks below. Guides share the story and point out highlights as you float above this sleeping giant. It's a little spooky, a little sad, but overwhelmingly cool. Whether you dive or just peer through the glass, the Zenobia is a must-experience Larnaca story. Some of the best sights are hidden beneath the waves. Ready for more adventure? Let's go. 13. After all that adventure, it's time for fun at Mackenzie Beach. This isn't just any beach, it's right at the end of the airport runway. Relax on the sand, and suddenly, a massive plane roars overhead, just a few hundred feet above you. It's a thrill every time, and everyone stops to watch. Where else can you combine a beach day with an air show? As the sun sets, Mackenzie transforms. Beach clubs and bars come alive with music and energy. It's one of Larnaca's hottest nightlife spots. Go from sunbed to dance floor in seconds, or sip a cocktail with your feet in the sand. And the food. You can't visit without having a Cypriot mise feast. Plate after plate of salads, dips, grilled halloumi, calamari, lamb chops, and more. Share with friends, enjoy local wine, and soak up the sea breeze. It's a feast for all the senses. Mackenzie Beach is the perfect way to end a day in Larnaca. Food, fun, and flying machines. What's not to love? Let's keep exploring. Now, let's head for the hills to the village of Lefkara, about 40 minutes from Larnaca. This fairy tale village is famous for its intricate lace and beautiful silverware. Legend says Leonardo da Vinci visited in 1481 and took Lefkara lace back to Milan. Today, you'll see women crafting lace in shop doorways, a tradition passed down for generations. Each piece is a unique work of art and a perfect souvenir. Lefkara lace is even on the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage list. The village is also known for its silversmiths, creating delicate filigree jewelry and religious items. Wander the cobblestone streets, admire stone houses with colorful shutters, and snap photos of blooming bougainvillea. Visit the Church of the Holy Cross and the Lace Museum, but the real joy is simply exploring. Stop at a traditional coffee shop for strong Cypriot coffee and watch village life unfold. Lefkara is a peaceful escape, a reminder of the importance of tradition and craftsmanship. It's a breath of fresh mountain air, just a short drive from the coast. Visiting Lefkara is like stepping back in time. It will capture your heart. Ready to return to the city? Let's go. 17. Back in the city, we're heading to Finikoudes Promenade, the beating heart of Larnaca's coastline. Lined with majestic palm trees, this beachfront boulevard is the place to see and be seen. On one side, golden sand and calm sea. On the other, bustling cafes, restaurants, and bars. In the morning it's perfect for a stroll or jog as the city wakes up. By day, families fill the beach and restaurants buzz with long lunches. At night the palm trees light up and the promenade takes on a festive, romantic vibe. Grab a gelato, listen to the waves, and enjoy the warm Cypriot night. Finikoudes is more than a walkway. It's a social hub connecting the Marina and the medieval fort. It's where locals meet for their evening walk, and tourists get their first taste of Larnaca's charm. Stylish, clean, and fun. It's the modern side of Larnaca. Just steps from ancient history, you feel like you're in a modern European resort. That's the magic of Larnaca. It has it all. Don't miss Finikoudes. Let's enjoy the good life. 15. For our final stop, let's head to Larnaca Marina at sunset. The marina is peaceful, filled with fishing boats and yachts. Walk along the piers, listen to the gentle clinking of masts, and dream of sailing away. As the sun sets, the sky glows pink, orange, and gold, reflected in the water. It's a photographer's dream, and a moment of pure beauty. Grab a drink at a marina cafe and watch the sun dip below the horizon. Each sunset here is a unique masterpiece. This moment captures the spirit of Larnaca. Beautiful, peaceful, and unpretentious. It's not a flashy attraction, just a simple wonder the city enjoys every day. Take a deep breath, reflect on your day, and feel connected to this wonderful place. Larnaca is a city of many layers, and the marina is the perfect place to appreciate them all. As the stars appear, you'll feel content and grateful for the memories made. This is the real Larnaca, and it's spectacular. What a city. Larnaca, you've completely won me over. From ancient churches to shipwrecks, plane spotting to lace making, this city has it all. It's the perfect mix of chill and culture, relaxing but never boring. No matter when you visit, you'll find a warm welcome and endless stories. Larnaca is a true Cypriot treasure, and I'm so glad I experienced it. Which spot would you visit first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cyprus guides. Until next time, keep exploring and keep eating. Exploring.